There is an emergency special meeting tonight in the city of Tracy. The city's mayor is calling for the removal of the city attorney because during the month of July, the attorney was not in compliance and was not allowed to practice law in California. We checked, and according to the California State Bar website, the city attorney, Bijal Patel, was not in compliance with ongoing legal training referred to as minimum continuing legal education, or MCLE. And this morning, we welcome Tracy's mayor, Dr. Nancy Young. Dr. Young, good morning. Thanks so much for being here.
Good morning. Thank you.
Please explain for our viewers why you are still calling for the city attorney's termination, even though she's now in compliance.
The reality of it is, for the 30 days that she was out of compliance, it has put our city in jeopardy and compromised us. And the fact that as our city attorney, the number one thing that she has to be is licensed in order to carry out her duties. So for 31 days, she was not eligible to do that. And she did not even report to the city council that she had this deficiency. And that's ultimately very concerning. And so to practice law without having a valid license is not only concerning for us, but it's literally criminal. And it could actually come with fines. It could come with jail time. There's other implications that affects our city.
You talked about practicing law without a license. Are there other attorneys that perhaps were in the office and maybe performed the duties and maybe not her?
Well, while we do have emergency attorneys on call to be able to help with certain things, because they were not notified, they were not activated, and our assistant city attorney recently found another job somewhere else. Well, she left the city of Tracy. I'm not sure what she's on. I can't speak to that. And our deputy city attorney is on maternity leave right now.
Okay, so this person would have been the only person, Ms. Patel would have been the only person in the office that would have been handling things for the city.
Absolutely, yes.
What is the process to remove the city attorney?
There are different processes. There is, or I say different because our overall counsel, she's an at-will employee,
okay,
correct? And she reports to the Tracy City Council. And that takes a 4/5 supermajority vote in order to remove her. However, in her agreement that we signed, that I actually signed on behalf of the city of Tracy, in that agreement, it talks to her job as being the city attorney. The number one thing is actually being a licensed attorney to be able to carry out her duties. And there are self-terminating clauses in there that determines that the contract will be immediately terminated.
Dr. Young, we've got about 30 seconds. A couple things I want to touch on here, though. You say that the contract says it'll be self-terminating, but as of right now, just for clarity, she is still currently in that position. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And also this meeting tonight, it's a closed door meeting, but you're calling on residents to be there. What is it ultimately that you want people to do?
The beginning of the meeting, we will have comments from our public. And what I really want our community to understand is really the deficiency that we're in the very dangerous place that we could be in, depending on when we unravel what has happened over the last month and how it affects Tracy. So I want the citizens to come out and to really just, display what their concerns are, and that to hold our council accountable. I'm hoping that as a council, we'll be unified to really do what's best for the city of Tracy.
We will, of course, be following up with you and the city tonight. For folks who want to attend, that meeting is happening again tonight at 5 p.m. at the Tracy City Council chambers. Again, you will be able to, as you heard the mayor say, voice your concerns at the start of that meeting, and then, of course, be able to hear the outcome. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. We definitely appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
And of course, for our viewers, we have reached out to the Tracy City Attorney for comment ahead of the meeting, and so far we have not yet heard back.